Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. River Road in downtown Baton Rouge runs along the eastern bank of the Mississippi River and connects the heart of the city to the riverfront. This section of the road has long been an important route for commerce and travel, linking government buildings, businesses, and cultural sites. In the 19th century, goods and produce moved along the river, and River Road served as a key route for steamboats and trade. Many historic buildings still line the street, showing the city's growth over the years. As Baton Rouge expanded in the 20th century, River Road became a hub for local traffic, with offices, warehouses, and restaurants serving downtown workers and visitors. Today, driving along this stretch offers views of the river, bridges, and a mix of historic architecture and modern development. You'll see civic buildings, cultural centers, and public spaces that highlight the city's connection to the Mississippi River. Parks and riverwalk areas provide scenic stops and places to enjoy the waterfront. This part of River Road reflects how Baton Rouge has balanced urban growth with the preservation of its riverfront heritage. The street is a lively corridor that tells the story of the city's commerce, culture, and daily life. Baton Rouge itself is one of the oldest cities on the Mississippi River, with roots reaching back to the early 18th century. Its name comes from a red marker pole used by indigenous tribes to mark territorial boundaries, a reminder that this land held meaning long before European settlement. Over time, Baton Rouge passed through French, British, Spanish, and American control, each leaving an imprint on the city's culture and governance. Its position on a bluff above the Mississippi made it strategically valuable, especially during conflicts like the Civil War, when control of the river meant control of trade and movement. Baton Rouge became the permanent state capital in the mid-19th century, cementing its political role in Louisiana. In the 20th century, the city expanded rapidly with the rise of the petrochemical industry, transforming Baton Rouge into a major industrial and economic center. Today, Baton Rouge blends government, industry, higher education, and culture. As we move through the city, you're seeing layers of history shaped by the river, resilience, and constant adaptation, factors that continue to define Baton Rouge's identity.